Good evening, Ruth.
Good evening, Elsie. The Chilean government declared a state of emergency on Saturday, February 4, after record high temperatures of above 40 degrees Celsius caused wildfires that sparked across the country's areas with extensive forests. At least 1,500 people flew to seek shelter and 970 were injured. Out of the affected residents, at least 24 people died. Some 270,000 hectares of land with around 800 homes were destroyed and 260 fires are still burning across the regions, 28 of which are dangerous according to National Forestry Agency. Chile's Interior Minister Carolina Toja noted that the recent fires should serve as another reminder of the effects of the climate emergency. Meanwhile, Chilean officials reported that Spain, the United States, Argentina, Ecuador, Brazil, Venezuela, and others had provided supports, including planes and firefighters. Back to you, Elsie.
Thank you, Ruth Bahe, reporting live from Vietnam.